Well, hello once again, my friends, and Merry Christmas. I'd like to welcome you to another video, and this video is going to be involving some vintage items from Christmas. I recently showed you guys a video of what I did when I got the Viewmaster lot. I got a couple of the discs. We had gone through it. I was happy about that because I had bought the Viewmasters, and when I got it in the mail, I opened it up and there were discs with it. And this is going to be the story of Christmas, and this is a 3-disc set. I ended up having it all. So let's go over. We're going to take a look at it, and we're going to take a look at what's on the discs. Okay, so I researched this set, and there is 3 discs to this. So luckily I had gotten all 3 when I had gotten the lot. And we'll take a look at the discs. The first one, it's XM1, The Christmas Story. This is part 1, and this is Mary and Joseph. As we take a look at the slides, you can see each section has 2 slides. And what that does is, when you look at it through the viewer, you see both sides, and then it brings the picture together as one, and that's what makes it appear 3-dimensional. So the first one we have, The Angel Appears to Mary. The second one is Joseph's Dream. Then we have The Emperor's Decree. 4 is All Travel to Register. 5 is Mary and Joseph Journey to Bethlehem. 6, There Is No Room. Of course, they're referring to the inn. And 7, The Newborn King Lies in the Manger. And that was disc 1, part 1, Mary and Joseph. When we go on to disc 2, this is XM2, The Christmas Story, part 2 of the Shepherds. So when we look at the first slide, the shepherds keep watch. 2 is I Bring You Glad Tidings. 3 is the Heavenly Host. 4, the shepherds find the infant. 5, the wondrous tale is spread abroad. 6 is Mary Ponders. And 7 is They Return Praising God. Each one of these discs, they're all like this. They all have 7 photos. Well, they have 14, but they combine for 7 total. So moving on to the final disc in the series, this is XM3 of The Christmas Story, Part 3, The Wise Men. So picture 1, the wise men behold the Christmas star. 2 is the arrival at Jerusalem. 3, King Herod questions the priests and scribes. 4, Herod tells the wise men to search in Bethlehem. 5, the star guides them. 6, they give gifts of gold, frankincense, and myrrh. In 7, the wise men returned to their own country. So this is disc 3 of the wise men. So this didn't come with the sleeves or the packaging for these, but what I'm going to do is I want to make I'm going to put together a little slideshow now to show you all the sleeves and the jackets that these came in, to show you, give you an idea of what they involved, as well as re-showing you the slides. So I'm going to end the video with the slideshow of that. And Merry Christmas, Happy New Year, and I'll talk to you guys soon.